This is the chili beef, guys. So it's time to try this one. Actually, this is my favorite. Well, it's hot. Very hot. Huh? Hi guys! So, for today's video is pupunta kami sa sale. Sale is yun ang town maliban dito sa amin. Kasi may bibilin ako doon na case nitong Gopro na may mic siya. So, surprise siya guys. Pag windy, hindi mo mahalata na mahangin kasi may mic siya na surprise. So, ayan. So, pick upin namin yun. Magla-lunch muna kami at saka pick upin namin yun. So, ayan guys. Today is very sunny day. Ayan. Mainit. Sale guys, we are finally arrived. So we are having lunch first. That's ours. That one, the red one. We arrived. Wala. Ooh. This is my OOTD for today's video. Let's go. I'm hungry. It's already 1 actually. I'm hungry. What? Hungry? Oh, we are twins.
Or you're at your favorite place for hungry.
We are twins. Look at that.
Go.
This is my favorite restaurant here in Sale guys. So it's called Rainbow. It's called Rainbow Chinese Restaurant. Yan yung name niya. Rainbow Chinese Restaurant. Open. Thank you. We're talking about the GoPro, guys. Here's the dim sim, guys. So we're gonna try this.
Gosh, there's a toilet right here.
Just go in a bag like a little kitty cat.
This is what probably the best
For
smelling like
this
vehicle.
one,
This is my kitchen. And this is also like my bathroom sink. The battery needs
we're gonna try this one, guys. I think this is a pork dim sim.
It's treated with pesticides. That's not so healthy for the environment.
Let's try.
Does it really affect us? Meet the Palmbo family.
Mm,
They don't eat organic food. But for the next 2 weeks,
that's delicious.
Palmbos are going to eat only organic. Before they begin, urine samples are taken from each of the families. They have a number of different pesticides.
Mm. It's like a pork or oh, it's not recording. So we're going to try this prawn. They said this is a prawn cocktail.
You want lemon?
Yes, please. So basically, guys, this is like a salad prawn, and this is cold. This is not hot. So try natin. Mm. Mm. Sarap. May ano siya, may mayonnaise and lemon and tomato sauce, ketchup. So yan, guys. Masarap siya. This is a chili beef guys. So it's time to try this one. Actually, this is my favorite. Okay. Okay. Hot. So ito na guys, nakuha na natin yung sinabi ko kanina na case for the GoPro and with mic. So ito na siya guys. Yan. So may ano na tayo, may mic na tayo na suppress. Yan siya. Yeah. So ngayon ay unbox na natin yung nabili ko na, yung sinabi ko sa inyo na binili ko na housing ng GoPro with suppress mic. So ito na siya guys. So papakita ko na sa inyo. So yun ang ito yun. So ayan. Open na natin. So bago pala to guys, brand new to. So ngayon ay titingnan natin at saka ipifit natin doon sa dito sa aking ipifit natin dito sa aking GoPro. So ito pala ang GoPro ko, Hero Black 9 pala ito. Ayan. Let's go. Open na natin. Ayan. Tada! Kasi ang pagkaakala ko ito lang. Ooh! Package pala ito guys. Yan. So, yan yung kanyang mga box, mga instruction. So, ayan siya guys. So, ito yung tinatawag ko na suppress mic guys. Pag mahangin, kung saan ka nagsushoot, pag mahangin, hindi marinig yung boses ng hangin sa labas. So, ayan guys, nabuksan na natin. Ayan. Ito na siya. So, ito yung mic niya. Dito na yung mic niya. Ilagay ko na. Ayan. Ayan. Buksan na natin. So, ito pala guys ay ang nasa dito. So, tinanggal ko lang siya, pero natatanggal naman siya talaga. Pag lagyan mo ng ganito, so natatanggal siya. So, ayan. Try natin ibalik. Pag ayaw mo na itong gamitin, kasi mas okay kasi ito eh, kasi may mic. Pag ayaw mo na itong gamitin, ayan, babalik mo na lang to. Ganunin mo lang to. Ayan, balik. Pag gusto mong ilagay doon sa camera, doon, dito sa may cover. So, ayan na siya guys. Lagay na natin. Ayan na. So, nag-experimento muna ako guys. Ayan, lagay na natin siya. So, kung gusto mo ng mic sa taas, ng yung mas okay, mas gusto mo yung mic talaga na nag-ano talaga siya, yung malarinig talaga boses mo, pwede mo ilagay dito. Ayan. Ayan. So, close na natin siya. So, parang lumaki siya guys, yung GoPro. Parang lumaki siya. Pag may ganito na. So, ayan. Close na natin. Close na natin siya. Ayan. Lock na siya guys. So, close na siya. Diba? Oh. So, ayan. Okay na siya. Tapos, kung gusto mo siyang i-charge, pwede mo lang siyang buksan dito. So, ayan. May charging point siya dito. Saka may tatlong charging. Ayun ko kung sa ano to siguro sa, ayan. Sa charger ba siguro din to? At saka may isa pa. Ayan, tatlo sila. So, 3 option ng charger. So, ayan. Di ba? Kung may Apple charger at may Samsung charger to. Kasi yung charger ng GoPro ko guys is Samsung charger. So, ayan na siya guys. Di ba? Oh. Na-assemble na natin. So, tada! So, ayan lang guys. Sana nag-enjoy ka sa ating vlog. Ayan. Ayan guys. Bye.